and welcome to my Technic channel. 2019 is already here, and that means that we already have the new Technic sets coming up. And today I've got a review on this remote controlled stunt racer 42095. Should be pretty interesting. Let's go. So this is what we can find inside: the 4 not numbered bags, the instruction and the stickers. The interesting parts are of course these 2 sprocket wheels, which are very good for any tracked vehicle you might create. It's sadly that there are only 2 of them here. It also has some light azure and black panels, as well as 12 black small discs, which are pretty interesting for the small scale modeling. So here it is, built and ready to go. I have to say that this model has a crazy amount of stickers work. You can see them here, and they're literally everywhere. Even on these small white looking glasses imitation, I don't know what this is. Lego, why? And can someone please tell me what is this part? But if we start being serious here, it's a really cool looking model, kind of like a Predator. Well, I guess it's enough talking. Let's see how it rolls. The center of weight on this thing is like on the rear axle, which allows it to make wheelies like all the time. And of course it should be said that this thing cannot go over any serious obstacles. Like even the smallest obstacle, like a 62mm wheel, can get stuck between the tracks. But it's pretty fun to ride it on the carpets. And of course no climbing capabilities whatsoever. Let's see what changes if we add some rubber bands. The grip is definitely much better with the rubber bands, which leads to a simple question: Lego, why only in one set? However, the climbing capabilities are still pretty low and it can not overcome any serious obstacles. A pretty interesting set, but I know what you are here for. So let's see how it will act if we connect it to the Buwizz 2.0 unit. By swapping the battery box with the much more powerful Buwizz unit and thus reducing the weight, it becomes scary, like really scary. Just look at these jumps. The B model is using the old sprockets on the front, driven by 2 linearly put L motors without any gears, which is strange because it's really wide and does not utilize the full spinning potential of the L motors simply by replacing the 2 sprockets. But I believe it should be much more stable than the A model. In conclusion, I can say that I like this set a lot. Pretty sure it would be interesting not only for kids but for adults as well. I'm really happy that this set is not using the powered up systems used in the new Batmobile. True Lego enthusiasts will always find use for the 2 L motors, and the new sprocket wheels are also giving us a hint that we might see a big tracked vehicle or maybe a crane using them, because it's pretty obvious that they are much better suited for the bigger vehicles than the old sprockets, but we shall see. If you like the review, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below and subscribe for more LEGO Technic stuff. Got the reviews for Corvette and Track Loader coming up, so stay tuned. And I hope you are having a great holiday. See you on the other side of the internet cable. Peace out.